Atlanta, it's your man Thomas. Listen, going live because this is the last time I'm probably gonna be able to do this. And it's based on why do I always get phone calls whenever I'm trying to do a live? Anyway, it's based on Yereq Geo Energy, and I'm just putting this out here. Just maybe the last time that I get to even talk about it because like they were saying, the they may already have their 10,000, but you still can join. You just won't be entitled to the shares that all of the owners are getting. But anyway, it's all good. I mean, it's just me putting this out here, letting the people know. You know what I'm saying? There's still an opportunity. There's possibly an opportunity for you if you want to check it out and get involved with Yereq Geo Energy. Then company with the funny name. Also, I wanted to there's been other things that I've been doing. I ain't just been here chilling. Sometimes been hanging out at the beach or whatever I've been doing, but I'm still doing my online thing. You know what I'm saying? That ain't going away. You guys know I'm not playing when it comes to that. Bitcoin. I was just looking at a video of my man Bitcoin Rodney, and that boy has gotten so large and in charge. It's ridiculous, man. I'm really proud of Bitcoin Rodney, man, because he done some big things, and people didn't believe half of the stuff he was saying, but I believed it. I believed it because I have been following him for years now. So, I remember when he was selling a product called, it was like for your TV, man. And this is going back. It was something like a box for your TV where you can watch, live sporting events and everything, and not have to pay the full price for it and everything. And I'm like, yo, this cat is really going in, and that's how he started. He's, did what he did, got started, in the basement, and that's where he be broadcasting from his basement. You know what I mean? And he'd be showing all of the stuff that he's been doing, but he's really heavily into cryptocurrency. And I'm telling you, I know that y'all think that, Bitcoin is dead or whatever the case may be, but it ain't going nowhere and it ain't going nowhere. Still need to, this is a buyer's market right now. Bitcoin is low, it's a buyer's market. But what you gonna buy it with? Why don't you become a part of Yereq Geo Energy, the company with the funny name, and go ahead on and get your ducks lined up in a row so you can go ahead on and make this thing happen, called freedom. You know what I'm saying? Because that's where I'm headed. I hope that you are too. But anyway, my last endeavor was, you remember when I had that Audi? The Audi was giving me so many problems, man. I was so happy. I got an Audi. I'm in the Audi team, and I'm all of this and that and the other thing. And then the Audi started giving me a whole bunch of problems, y'all. To the point where I actually had to get rid of the Audi. So we got rid of the Audi, and had to step up. I call it a step up because VW actually owns Audi. They build Audis. So I'll show you what I got. This is the new that I got now. Still plugging away. I gotta do, bro. It's raining out here today too, so so I don't give a fuck about the rain. Excuse me, French. Rain don't stop me from doing nothing that I want to do. So we'll sit right there. Down here. So out here, looking around. So we pull up to it, boom. There it is. Shit bitches, bro. That look good. Look at it. Know what I mean? It's really vicious. Yeah, it's raining out here. This is a hot ride though. So I'm gonna get into the passenger side. Of course, everything is push to open, push everything else. blah, 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 blah. I done my doing right. Get a trash bag right there. But anyway, it's the VW Tiguan. I like it. It is very computerized. It is very sweet. It's a sweet little ride, man. I'm telling you, like, I like it because it's me. It's an older guy's kind of vehicle, you know what I mean? But I like it. It's got plenty of seating room. It's very roomy. And we had to have this vehicle, man. I really didn't like letting the Audi go, but the Audi had to go. You know, I don't want to make this video long, but I did want to show y'all my new vehicle, and it's really really special to me. You know what I mean? You know, now we just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? No matter what we got to deal with in life, we still believe in freedom, and we fight for it every day. Every day I go out here and earn what I got to earn to put myself in a better position to be able to be financially sound and financially free. Yereq, GLEnergy.com is what's helping me do that. I'm going to put my link in the comments of this video. Basically, I'm giving you this final, like, warning shot. Look, get involved. Don't let Yereq not be part of your future, because look, you got charging stations that's coming out like crazy. We got power in it. We got energy savers that you plug into your home. We have a Pegasus router that's a forever router, which it actually pays you for you using your data on this router. This router is not hooked up to a cable company. This router enables you to have free internet. I'm sorry, not cable. Let's not get the two mixed up. But and you really need to check some of this stuff out. The technology is hot, man. They coming out with hydrogen cars. They already got electric cars on the line, on the product line. Your Geo is not playing around, man. So, basically, I'm going to go out, show you the outside view of the car. I mean, but I did want to tell y'all about that, bro. I mean, I'm just saying. Geo Energy is what's next. I'll be daggone if I ain't got a piece of bird crap on my daggone car, man. I mean, what the? Come on, bruh. Be doing me like that. Don't be doing me like that. I had cleaned the car, right? And then it rained anyway. So I was like, you know what? That's okay, because I wanted to clean it. And now it's clean. So look, this is out of body. I just like this car, man. It's called the color is platinum. It's not gray. It's called platinum. So don't get me lying on hunting, because I just like the way. Look at this. It looks tough in the front, don't it? Like it's serious. Serious, like its owner. Serious. You know, that streamline, that body style. I like the body style, the tinted windows in the rear. So you really can't see in that joint. You know what I mean? That's what I like. Yeah. It's hot, bro. It's hot. It's hot. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Because really, what needs to happen is y'all need to get involved. Yereq Energy. I don't even know how I can say it anymore, or what other way to say it. But that's what's next. Either gonna be down or it's gonna stay down. One or the other. All depends on how you want to look at it, how you want to take this next few years of your life and move forward with it. That's the real deal, Holyfield. Anyway, always important. I want to wish you love, peace, and freedom. Because that's where I'm headed. I hope that you are too. Thanks and bye for now. We'll talk soon. Peace.